You reach this video for one of three reasons. You're an artist trying to figure out this whole merch game. You're an entrepreneur and you're trying to figure out how to make your own merch. Or you've been following my music career and you want to see what I'm up to. For whatever reason you chose to watch this video, I want to say welcome. I'm about to make this new hat and I'm about to put it up on my website. And I'm going to show you guys the whole process. Let's get it. Alright, so this is really the second part of the process because it all starts with the idea. This is the heat press I got off Amazon. It's around $120. It's easy to use, but you definitely should get a temperature gun to keep up with how hot the press gets because this is not accurate. Alright, this is me lining up the hat, making sure everything is legit. If you need to know why I'm doing what I'm doing, watch a tutorial on YouTube, bro. Alright, so my phone died while I was recording this part, so I didn't get to show the actual hat I'm putting on the website. Yeah, so this is the hat I chose and this is the embroidered patch that I'm going to put on the hat. I went with the camo print Otto hat because it's a dope design and Otto's a great brand, so it's a win-win. Alright, so this is the next day. I set up on the island in my kitchen to do a product photo shoot. I wanted to show you no matter where you are and what you don't have, you can still make this happen as long as you're being creative. I got this fleece blanket from Walmart for hella cheap. And I took this product pic with my iPhone 15 Pro Max just to show you don't need an expensive camera to make this happen. So this is the last part of the process, me putting the hat up for sale. I'm not going to go too far into the footage because it'll probably be different for you. Now that it's over, hit the description for the products, the hat info, and the link to my Amazon store where you can get the same stuff if you're interested in doing the same thing.